Hi, Paul Pelzarski with Arizona IQ Realty, and we did it again. Another home sold in Apache Junction, Arizona, zip code 85120. This was a bank foreclosure. On this home, we represented the buyers. Here we are looking at a little bit of the home inspection. And let me tell you what we did. First off, multiple contracts on the home. 6 contracts. We had to beat out the other offers and put together the most well-written contract. You see, we list bank foreclosures also. We know what the banks are looking for, and this gave us an edge. We beat out the other 5 buyers. Next, we did our home inspection. But the seller told us, you can do your home inspection. We will do no repairs, and there will be no price reduction. If you decide to back out of the contract, no problem with us. We had 5 other buyers, and we're just going to go to the next buyer. So after finishing our inspection, I take this all back to what my mom used to say to me. It's not what you say, it's how you say it. And what we came back with to the bank, to the seller, was, you know what? All these repairs were covered, were hidden. We did not know about these. If we knew these repairs were needed, we would have come back with a different offer. And now that you have this information, you're going to have to share it with your next buyer. And the bank did what they said they wouldn't do. They lowered the price on the house. My buyer accepted it in as-is condition, but got the house for substantially below what the original offer was. When you're buying a home in Apache Junction or selling a home in Apache Junction, you need to contact myself, Paul, and my wife, Jody Pelzarski. We will be there every step of the way. Here we are in the attic, over 100 degrees. We're there with the home inspector. Why? He said there was termites up there, so we went up there with our own video camera and our own pictures. We need to know exactly what's going on because our buyer was out of state. We were the only representation there. We had to be there because our client couldn't. So if you're buying a home or selling a home and you can't be there, you know you can depend upon Jody and Paul Pelzarski. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much.